Good morning class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and also hope you all are healthy and safe at home. So dear student, this is Chui Singh, your maths teacher, and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So first of all, everyone check out your maths book and with your pencil eraser and sharpener. So dear student, today I am going to discuss about the new topic, that is what unit 6 multiplication. Okay, मैं आज multiplication पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ. Which one is unit 6. Now do you know what is multiplication? So मैं short form में बोल रही हूँ कि multiplication is a process of repeating addition. जो addition हम बार बार repeat करते हैं, that is known as multiplication. Okay students, so let's see how. See, suppose here it is what? Fill in the boxes. Okay, fill in the boxes. Multiplication, page number 82. So everyone check out page number 82. Now see here, so many shoes are there. Double. The means couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shoes are there. Set of 5 shoes. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 10. What is equals to how much? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 times 2 is equals to 10. आप पहले एडिशन देखिए this type. Okay. Now again see. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is equals to 6 plus 6 12 plus 6 18 plus 6 comes 24. So 24. Now 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 8 plus 8 is equals to 16, and 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. Again 24. Now next see, changes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 5 is equals to 35. Means 5 plus 5 is 10. Again 5, 15. Again 5, 20. Again 5, 25. 30, then 35. So 35 I have written here. Now see, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18. So like this only, 8 plus 8 is 16. So like this only you have to solve this. So what it is going to tell you that कि multiplication जो है आप इतने टाइम्स प्लस कर रहे हो, ठीक है. सो इसको आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डायरेक्टली इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज व्हाट? इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ रिपीटेड एडिशन. रिपीटेड एडिशन. ओके, रिपीटेड यानी कि ये जो एडिशन है इसे बार बार रिपीट कर रहा है, ठीक है. सो इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाट? इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिपीटेड एडिशन. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सी हियर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन is repeated addition. So how many baskets are there in all? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baskets are there, but all baskets are of 2. 2 baskets in each box. So we can express this in a shorter way. See on the whiteboard first. Now see. See here, suppose 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So it comes what? 8. Okay student? Now we can express in the shorter form. हम इसे short form में express कर सकते हैं. 4 groups of 2 each. 4 groups of each, यानी हम इसे लिख सकते हैं 4 into 2 is equals to 4 2s are 8. इस फॉर्म में हम इसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो हम लोग इसे कैसे लिखते हैं? 4 ग्रुप ऑफ 2, और वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Okay student, is equals to 8. Now हम लोग इसे क्या बोलेंगे? 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. Okay, and साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई जो होती है, जो साइन होती है मल्टीप्लीकेशन की, वो क्या होती है? क्रॉस. ये जो क्रॉस वाली साइन है, ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सी, मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज अ क्विकर वे ऑफ एडिंग अ नंबर रैपिडली. 4 into 2 is equals to 8 is called the multiplication fact or repeated addition. Okay, now see here on this page. On page 83, 3 groups of 2 are 6. So हम लोग इसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can also write it as 3 into 2 is equals to what? 3 groups of 2 are 6. 3 groups of 2 are 6 means 3 2s are 6. Okay student, now 5 groups of 2 are 10. So हम लोग इसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Okay, 5 groups of 2 are 10 means 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Now see, 6 groups of 2 are 12 means 6 into 2 is equals to 12. So do it on page number 83. Like this you have to solve the page 83. So do it student. Done, everyone? Now come to page 80. Page 84. Okay student? Now see, write multiplication facts for the following. See here, pictures are given on page 84. पेज 84 पे ढेर सारे पिक्चर्स दिए हैं, लॉट्स ऑफ पिक्चर्स आर देयर, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. सो सी, one is already done. I am doing here 4 into 2 is equals to 8. After that 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 means 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4 यानी 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Now 1 2 3 group of 2 is equals to 3 2s are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 group of 1 is equals to 5. Apple. This one is mango. Mango वाला है ये. Okay. After that ball. Then caps, then apple. ठीक है, 5 ग्रुप्स हैं एप्पल्स के, वन एप्पल्स. ठीक है, 5 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 1 एप्पल्स. सो हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं 5 into 1 equals to 5. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट इज फ्लावर वॉश. ओके, फ्लावर 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 6 groups of 3 flower wash is equals to 3 groups of 6 flower wash, 6 flowers is 18. Okay. Now 1 2 3 1 2 3 ice cream, 2 groups of 3 ice cream. So 2 3s are 6. Then candle 1 2 3 4. 3 groups of 4 candles. 3 4s are 12. Then toffees are there. Toffees में क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means 3 groups of 7 toffee is equals to 21. 3 7s are 21. Okay student. So like this you have to fill page number 84. All the answers I have done on this page. Do it by looking the board. Okay students, so hope कि you don't have any problem while doing this one. But the most important thing is that कि you have to know the tables. आपको table 2 to 10 अभी learn करनी है. Okay student, then only you will solve all these multiplication facts. So your homework is learn and write tables from 2 to 10. This is very important. जब आप multiplication, कोई भी आप multiplication करते हैं तो first you have to know the tables. Okay student, tables आपको learn होनी चाहिए. So you have to learn the table from 2 to 10. Okay. So this is your homework you have to do in your copy. Okay. This homework you have to do in your copy. and up to page 82, 83 and 84 I have discussed today. मैंने इसको explain कर दिया है. Okay, and you will do in your book up to page 84. So I hope you don't have any problem now. So please revise the exercises and do practice at home, and please work hard and complete all the exercises and all the pages on time in your book as well in your copy. Okay student, so be safe at home, and also don't forget to like and subscribe the video, because when you will subscribe the video, then only you will get all the notification in your mobile. Okay, so keep learning, be safe, take care, bye.